Richa Verma.
Okay. Oh, Richa Verma.
Noida. Yeah.
Oh, how nice. Hi, Dantri. Dharitri, how are you?
Fine. Hello. I was trying to remove the audio.
After a long time.
Yes.
All well?
Fine.
Good. Hi, Usha. Namaste. How are you?
नमस्ते अनु जी, बहुत अच्छी हूँ। आपकी क्लासेस के लिए वेट करते रहते हैं हम।
थैंक यू जी, बहुत शुक्रिया आपकी सपोर्ट के। मेरे को रिच बहुत अच्छा लगा नाम। तो नहीं यार, रिच है मेरे इसके ऊपर। So nice.
You remember me ना?
Of course.
Yeah. By mistake वो Zoom ID में रिच आया हुआ है।
Hi Elizabeth, how are you? Hi Elizabeth, where are you from? Hi, you're muted, sweetheart. You're muted. Unmute kare. Yeah. Where are Elizabeth, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm
Hi.
from India. I'm from India, South India, but now I'm in Dubai.
Okay, which part of the South? I love South. I stayed in South for...
I'm from Chennai.
Oh, my favorite. Kunjum Tamil Tariyo. I speak in way, but yeah, I learned my Tamil when I was staying there for some time. So, yes, I love that place. My little one was born there. My daughter,
Great.
South Indian, couldn't do without idli, dosa, sambar, and rasam.
Yes, true.
Hi, Shankar. How are you? Shankar Saxena. Can I see you? I have a beautiful picture on the screen, but I cannot see you. Hi, Shankar. Okay, I'm going to start with a song, and I first like songs, right? So there's a new person here, Purnima. Namaste, Purnima. How are you?
Fine.
I can't see you. Shakal
Okay. Wait. Let me start this thing.
Okay. नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप?
I'm fine.
किधर से? Bombay, Bangalore. Nice. I love Bangalore. Was in Chennai and would travel Bangalore. I think way back in about 10-12 years back is what I'm talking. No, more than that. I stayed in Chennai and connected with Bangalore when I was 17 years back.
Wow. So, you are based where?
In Mumbai. I have been in various parts of the country. Sabah, how nice to see you.
Hi.
बहुत मजा आता आपको मिलके. Very nice. Hello Jyoti and hello Dr. Abha Gupta. Very nice to see you guys here. Okay, so I'm going to start with a song. I love Hindi and English. Sure, if you like it too. And the topic is loneliness. It's a little heavy topic, right?
Yeah, it's a heavy.
It's a heavy topic. So let's start with a song. And hopefully the YouTube will support me. So, lyrics of the song.
Good afternoon, Anuji. Sumati here. Namaste.
This silence is killing me. Is it this how you wanna be? I know that I'm not me at times. Wanna feel alive. I just feel like I'll overdose. I won't breathe down my back.
How about just moving with it?
I just wanna hold you close.
Come on.
But I'm sitting in this broken hole. Hey, lady, broken baby. I just wish the best for you. It's hurting lately.
How beautiful, guys. Just from one end, like this, to the other end.
feelings. I'm just done with my feelings. Doing this, I don't mean it. So I'm just feeling. I'm just done with feelings. Doing it, I don't mean it. So I'm
Try to karo hilne ke liye. Very good, guys.
I just feel like I'll overdose. I won't breathe that my body knows. I just wanna hold you close, but I'm sitting in this broken home. It's hurting. I'm broken, baby. I just wish the best for you. It's hurting lately. I'm broken, baby. I just wish the
हाथ हिला के तो देखो. Hi, Ashwini. Hi, Vedhi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, yeah. Nice to see you here.
Yes, I saw the link, so I wanted to join.
Thank you, Ashwini. Hi.
It's 'cause I love
I know alone in our houses and sometimes can
Yes, but when I'm with you, our baggage unpacks. And I don't wanna lose a friend, but if I keep my distance, I know this will end. I know that you're not
just a smile on your face and just moving your hands.
seem to escape.
Come on, Aparna, you can do it.
I don't wanna lose a friend.
નો ફોન અત્યારે છોકરો ગયો અરવિંદનો છોકરો સીએસ થઈ ગયો.
Namaste, Himanshu.
Don't bother anybody. I am the king.
Okay, so let's with understand what's lonely. Hi, काकड़ी खाए काकड़ी तो नहीं खानी है आज. चलिए काम करते हैं. And what's important for us to get, just all of us together right now could build an energy that can bring a smile on our face. Hi Naveen ji, namaste, कैसे हैं आप? Hello Navidita.
Hello, I'm fine, thank you.
Brilliant. Where are you from, Navidita?
I'm from Devrali Camp, Nasik.
Mute all of you. Begin with the program. To talk to me, you can unmute and then talk. So we're going to start with our angels. You know how it is? Never begin without higher energies being there with us. So I'm going to pull out cards right now for the whole group rather than doing it for each person. And at the end, let's see how the energy goes and how we will go about it. Is that okay? So for the whole group, I'm pulling out about 6 cards. Tell me, hello, Kaur, how are you? Okay, so we're pulling out cards and why angels are required. When you begin with anything, if you surrender and stop control, which is one of the biggest things we people who are lonely have it, life becomes much easier, much more meaningful. So this is for all of you today. Thank you, Leila. Hi, how are you? The first thing, look what the card is, music. So we're going to start after the cards. I'm going to put on music for 1 minute. We are all going to open our windows and just dance. And forget about what happened yesterday. what happened today morning and what's going to happen tomorrow. The first card, it says, yes, Anu, get the music in, even if it's sad music. So what? So all of you can do this at home, put on music, and there isn't a right dance or a wrong dance. We anyway are dancing to loneliness the whole day. भीड़ में अकेले हैं हम, और पता क्या है, लोनलीनेस की उम्र नहीं, कभी भी हो जाती है यार. छोटे से बच्चे को भी आज लोनलीनेस होती है. हम तो क्या बोलते हैं ना, जिंदगी काट दी इसमें. तो जिंदगी ना काटे इसलिए हम म्यूजिक लगाएंगे और खूब सारा डांस करेंगे. कुछ ऐसा ढूंढिए. सर्च फॉर समथिंग दैट यू कैन लव. Guys, write it down. It's important for you. Search for something that you can fall in love with. Ishq mein. And we only think that love means another man. नहीं. हुजूर, अपने आप के साथ भी प्यार कर सकते हैं आप. And I'm not just talking about love making here. I'm talking about something in your life. Get a meaning in your life. Get a purpose in your life. Bring in something that makes you feel alive. And आज शाम को जब आज हम at the end we will do meditation, it will be on getting this new love in our life. Brilliant. सब लोग wise तो हो गए हैं. Can we get a little bit of ठहराव in our life? You know, no matter what happens, all is well. How they say in Three Idiots? All is well. Can we do this to ourselves? Can we hold our heart right now and tell ourselves, all is well? Very good. All is well. Shabash. Once more. All is well. Very good. Put your hand out like this. Put your hand out like this and give a pat on your shoulder. You know why? You made that first move today to understand कि तुम्हारा दिल उदास क्यों है. 3 more cards. Hi Veena, that's my mom's name also. Friendship, दोस्ती कीजिए. Because friendship के बिना दोस्तों जिंदगी अधूरी है. Get our friends back in our life, not just acquaintances. A friend with whom you can sit down and just laugh, just crack jokes, just be yourself. Yeah? So friendship will become really, really important. And look at your dreams, all those things that we did not do, that we wanted to do. काश मेरे पास जिंदगी के कुछ और साल होते तो मैं ये भी कर लेती. किसने कहा आपको आप कल जा रही हैं? So जरूरी है कि ये ड्रीम्स को हमने जीना है. So फटाफट 2 मिनट लगाइए and write down all your dreams. 5 of them. Come on, take a piece of paper. Write down 5 dreams that you have. I told someone one day, my dream is to have a one-night stand, and they looked at me and thought I was mad. They really looked at me and thought I was mad. Any idea why would I have said that? I'm 53. I've never cheated on anyone. And suddenly it struck me, that's one part of my life that I've never experienced. So even if it's as absurd as that, I want to be in the arms of the most handsome man on this earth. And if that's your dream, maybe Shah Rukh Khan. So what? Put it down on the piece of paper. सोचिए, लॉजिक मत लगाइए. ये लॉजिक सब समझ गई ना? The most beautiful, amazing, handsome man on this planet. ये थोड़ी ना कि कर लेंगे. See how it brought a smile on your face? जो थॉट आपके चेहरे पे खुशी ले आए, उसे लाने में कोई हर्ज नहीं. कोई हर्ज नहीं है. Okay? So like this, 5 dreams you're going to write, absurd ones. Logic नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Because this logic has got us nowhere. Friendship. चलिए 5 लोगों के नाम आप शाम को कॉल करेंगे, 5 लोगों को कॉल करके आप यही पूछेंगे एंड यू विल आस्क देम हाउ आर यू, हाउ आर यू. 5 people's names I want that you will sit down and you will call them up. It could be your friend, it could be your daughter, it could be your son, it could be your lover. 16 years के थे ना तब you fell in love. ढूंढेंगे आज आप उनको फेसबुक पे, कहाँ है, कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहाँ गए वो लोग. Yeah, I mean, can you imagine that still brings a smile on your face? If you've never fallen in love, that's also okay. ढूंढिए और किसी को भी आज कहेंगे I love you. It can be your dog, it can be your cat, it can be your son, it can be your daughter, it can be your daughter-in-law, it can be your son-in-law. आप एक इंसान को आज कहेंगे I love you.
On the fan.
Very good. Okay, I'm going to mute everybody again. And प्यार किस चीज से कर सकते हैं? लिखिए 5 चीजें जिससे आप प्यार कर सकते हैं. 5 things with which you can fall in love with. I can fall in love with the smell of food that I'm using. So what? कल से अगले 1 महीने के लिए मैं वही साबुन यूज करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है यार. I can fall in love with my dress. नमस्ते, अच्छा लगा आइडिया? You got to fall in love और इतना गहरा कि इश्क वाला लव होना चाहिए, ऐसा वैसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे. So find a thing that you can fall in love with. You can fall in love with your cooking, your eyes. I love my hair, so I'll fall in love with my hair. ढूंढिए कुछ तो ऐसा होगा जिसके साथ आप प्यार कर सकती हैं. इतने उखड़े उखड़े नहीं रहना है हमने. एंड म्यूजिक चलाना है आज. Okay, which I will do for you right now. Very good. I down. Dr. Deepa, excellent. I can't see the cards due to light. अरे देखने की क्या जरूरत है, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ना. Okay, and I told my mom I love you. अच्छा एक बार ट्राई करें. सबा आप मेरे साथ ट्राई करेंगी, ऐसे बोलना है. सबा ऑन कीजिए अपना अनम्यूट. सबा तुम्हें क्या बताऊं कि तुम मुझे क्यों इतने अच्छे लगते हो. तुम्हारा खुशी लेके आता है मेरी जिंदगी में. I just want to tell you, Sabha, today, I you.
अनु जी मैं आपको क्या बताऊं. You are giving such a precious time for us. That is for me. It's a very touching also, and whatever you have taught us every day, I cannot miss it. I'm following you on Facebook also. Yesterday night I was watching exact at 2:00 full 1 hour session I have seen. It was so inspiring, so amazing, so wonderful. I cannot miss it. So
Thank you.
this is the way.
Yes, Sabha, बहुत. I can feel your love
on YouTube. Even my daughters, my friends, they all follow on you on YouTube also. So all the sessions are so good. The 7 days, what the topic you have chosen, that is amazing. Really, we want to talk about all these things. That is a very interesting thing. We never thought that in my life all this thing will come back in this way. And because it's very nice feeling to see you, and I'm very happy and thankful to you.
Thank you, Sabha. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. एक और इंसान के साथ. अपर्णा, मैं आपको बिल्कुल नहीं जानती, क्या आप अपनी अनम्यूट करेंगी?
Yes, ma'am. I am from Calcutta. Aparna Ghosh.
अपर्णा घोष. मैं कलकत्ता में रहती हूँ. आप सिंघानिया स्कूल
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है साहब।
ये
हाँ हाँ हाँ
अपर्णा, अब आ रही है आवाज?
हाँ हाँ अभी ठीक है।
अब आ रही है आवाज?
हाँ हाँ यस।
Guys, can everybody hear me or you can't hear me? You
यस
can hear me.
यस
Okay. So this is for Aparna. उन्हें सुनाई दे या ना दे, कैलकाटा में मैं भी रहती थी बहुत साल पहले, खूब बालों से, और रसगुल्ला भी मैंने वहां बहुत खाया, और सिंघानिया स्कूल के सामने 24 जजेस कोर्ट रोड, वहां रहती थी मैं। आप मेरी जिंदगी में आज कैलकाटा का स्वाद लेके आई हैं, और क्या मजेदार स्वाद लेके आई हैं। मेरी जिंदगी के वो ऐसे पल थे जब मैं खूब खुश होके जिंदगी जी है। थैंक यू अपर्णा, क्योंकि आज आपके आने से मेरी जिंदगी में बाहर आई है। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। मैं भी कुछ सीखने के लिए।
अपर्णा, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रही है, सो यू हैव टू चेक योर इंटरनेट। पर जो भी आप कह रही हैं उसे हम प्यार से दिल में समेट लेते हैं। कैन यू डू दिस टुडे गाइस? कैन यू डू दिस टुडे विद योर फ्रेंड्स? It doesn't matter. You don't have to know people. मृदुला, बिल्कुल जानने की जरूरत नहीं है कौन कौन है। जरूरत यह है कि दिल से दिल मिले, और वो दिल से दिल बहुत जरूरी है मिलने। मैं 2 लास्ट कार्ड्स पुल करूंगी और फिर हम अपने कार्यक्रम में थोड़ा सा और चलेंगे, ठीक है? Is that okay, all of us? Very good. Let's go to the next card. We are going to do something for our children today. और जिनके बच्चे नहीं हैं, उनके पास बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं where we can go and connect with them. एक ही काम करना है, कुछ नहीं बोलना है, बस बच्चों को एक हक देना है, ऐसे प्यार से उनकी तरफ देखना है, अपने चेहरे पे स्माइल लेके आज बात करनी है उनसे। कितनी ही वो कड़वी बात कर रहे हो, कितनी ही वो उन्होंने आपका दिल दुखाया हो, फोन पे भी कर सकते हैं। आज अपने बच्चों से कनेक्ट करना है आपने। कैसे करेंगे कनेक्ट? आप स्माइल लाएंगे अपने चेहरे पे, आप स्माइल लाएंगे अपनी बॉडी में, and you will bring a smile in your voice. Your voice carries emotions. कभी सोचा है आपकी आवाज कितनी important है? Because your आवाज carries all your emotions. It's an invisible carrier of all your emotions, your anger, your sadness, your happiness, your excitement. अभी दिखाऊं आपको, अगर मैं ऐसे बोलूं, आपको देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आप मानेंगे नहीं ना, क्योंकि मैं रो के बोल रही हूं। तो आपने सिर्फ अपनी चेहरे से नहीं स्माइल करना है, you're going to smile with your voice, you're going to laugh with your voice, and you're going to talk to them. Done, everybody? We have a lot of work, guys. Our last card. चलिए इकट्ठे एक manifest करते हैं, that kind of world which is full of love. कहीं हम भूल गए हैं प्यार करना, कहीं हम भूल गए हैं प्यार करना, कहीं हम भूल गए हैं कनेक्ट होना। थैंक यू दीपा जी, बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू आभा।
What was the last
कहीं
card?
हम भूल गए हैं एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करना, कहीं हम भूल गए हैं एक दूसरे को ये कहना कि तुम मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हो।
Excuse
ये
me,
सबके
what was
लिए।
the last card? What was
आपको
the
क्या
last card?
बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो।
Oh my God.
आप सबको क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो। तुम ही मेरी रोशनी हो, तुम ही मेरी हंसी हो, तुम ही मेरी जिंदगी हो, तुम ही मेरा एहसास हो। आप सबको क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो। तुम्हारे आने से मेरी शक्ल पे, सिद्धार्थ, तुम्हारे आने से मेरी शक्ल पे खुशी आती है। तुम्हारी मेरी आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखने से मुझे जिंदगी नजर आती है। तुम जब मेरे सामने होते हो तो सारे गम निकल जाते हैं। तुम मेरे जब सामने होते हो तो खामोशी भाग जाती है। तुम्हें क्या बताऊं, तुम सबको क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो। कभी तो दिल करता है कि आप सबके साथ बैठ के मैं चाय पीऊं, कभी तो दिल करता है कि फुर्सत से बैठ के एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे हम, कभी तो लगता है कि तुम्हें भी ऐसे महसूस होता होगा जैसे मुझे महसूस होता है। तुम्हारी कमी कभी, तुम्हारी दोस्ती की कमी कभी। मेरे दोस्त बनोगे क्या? I want to be your friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. चलिए थोड़ी सी स्लाइड्स में घुस के देखते हैं कि what have I created for you. These slides will reach you, so don't have to worry. So साइंस प्रूफ करती है कि अगर हम लोनली रहें और ये सब ना करें, what we have just asked you to do, connect, become friends, fall in love, do something for your family, do something for yourself, even if it is dreaming like आज मुझे ना सबसे हैंडसम इंसान से जाके किस करना है, so what? ये उम्र का तकाजा किसी और को समझाइए। प्यार की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, बीमारियों की उम्र होती है। जब हम ऐसा नहीं करते ना, when we don't fall in love, तब हमें अल्जाइमर्स जैसा डिजीज होता है। Anybody? अल्जाइमर्स क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हमें ऐसे लगता है कि जिंदगी इज बिकम डार्क, अ टनल, बहुत बोझ वाली, जहां पे हमें कोई पकड़ने वाला नहीं, कोई हमारी परवाह नहीं करता, कोई हमें अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करता। And this is all in our mind. हम just game खेल रहे हैं अपने दिमाग में। If I don't have rainbows in my life, अगर इश्क मेरी जिंदगी से चला गया है, गुड आफ्टरनून उषा जी, अगर जिंदगी से मेरा इश्क चला गया है और जिंदगी नासुर और एकदम बेरंग लग रही है, तो मुझे नहीं अल्जाइमर्स होगा तो किसको होगा? क्योंकि मैं याद ही नहीं रखना चाहती जिनको मैं जानती हूँ। I hope you've got the idea of why Alzheimer's happens. So if you really want your loved ones not to suffer from Alzheimer's, उनका हाथ पकड़ के उनके हर रोज कहिएगा, I love you.
Anu, can you please repeat that? I had got a call.
कोई होता ही नहीं कहने वाला.
Hello.
So many people are waiting for someone to say that to them. Let's
Hello.
go to the next slide.
Hello.
When we are lonely, we feel depressed and we have anxiety. और anxiety का दूसरा मतलब है fear, डर कि क्या जिंदगी ऐसे ही रहेगी? I don't feel important, I don't feel wanted, I feel broken. आपकी एक हग, आपका ये कहना कि तुम मेरी जिंदगी में important हो, शायद किसी को उसकी जिंदगी की बहार दे दे। शायद there might be sunlight in someone's life. क्या कहते हैं? तुम बेसहारा हो तो किसी का सहारा बनो, तुमको अपने आप ही सहारा मिल जाएगा। वेट मत करो कि आपका नेबर आपका दरवाजा खटखटा के आपको बोलेगा, Hi, I'm Anu Mehta. Would you like to come and have a cup of tea with me? Why not you go and knock on the door and say, you know what? I'm Purnima and I would love to have a cup of tea with you. दोस्ती शुरू। क्या होगा? ज्यादा से ज्यादा सामने वाला आपको कहेगा, पागल है ये औरत, मुझको तुमसे चाय नहीं पीनी है। But they say after 100 rejections, there is light. And I doubt people are sitting down and saying कि मुझे reject करना है. Even if there is social distancing going on, we can still connect with people over a Zoom like this and have a tea party. Who said we can't do it? So let's go to the third thing. What happens? What is the root cause of loneliness? Any idea? Chat में फटाफट डालिए. What do you think is the root cause of loneliness? Yes, Sabha. क्यों होती है ये अकेलापन? क्या रीजन है इस अकेलेपन की? All beautiful people, क्या रीजन है ये अकेलेपन की? मृदुला, हिमांशु, रीटा, लैला, रोमा, दीपा. सर आप मिस्टर राव, मिस्टर सुबोध, सुनीति सब लिखिए कि क्यों आपको लगता है ये लोनलीनेस होती है.
I can speak. Can I speak?
Very good, very good.
Speak. Yeah.
You
Sir,
know,
I'm
people have
pleasant.
everything today that money can buy. They have everything today that money can buy. They don't have that company that you can buy.
नहीं है.
तुम्हें समझने वाला ही कोई नहीं है. तुम अपने आप से ही बातें करते चले जा रहे हो. बिल्कुल, when you get disconnected from your inner self, the real loneliness comes, isolation, no social causing, और ये सारा एक circle है. First we stop connecting, then we have no friends, and then when we have no friends, we feel there is nobody to understand us, and there is nobody to understand us, we feel depressed, we get into sadness. एक cycle है यार, उसे तोड़ना हम ही ने है. Is that clear? Can we break this cycle of loneliness? Can we together say, yes, we can do it? Come
Yes.
on, with me. Put your hands like this.
Yes.
Yes, I can do it.
Yes, we can do it.
I can get over this loneliness. I can make friends.
Can get over this loneliness.
Can you?
Definitely. Yes, ma'am.
चलिए यार एंजल से पूछते हैं क्या कहते हैं. एंजल्स कह रही हैं, a new beginning is what we want. A new beginning is possible. And do you know, Get Set आपने यही कुछ किया है? It's made it such a beautiful forum where people like me, I'm Anu Mehta, the pioneer in the field of meta health and many other emotional techniques in India. And it brought about company for people. मेरे लिए इतने दोस्त खड़े कर दिए. नवीन जी नमस्ते, शुक्रिया being here. इतने सारे दोस्त खड़े कर दिए
I
कि
said it's your
loneliness
majority.
बहुत
Let
दूर
everyone
खड़ी है
speak.
आज.
Because of my throat, forgive me. You're doing
Why?
excellent
Because I
job, and
know I
everybody
have
is happy
friends.
about it, and me too.
And that's the new
But-
beginning. That's the new beginning that I have in my life. So let's close our eyes
right.
for a minute. Let's just close our eyes for a minute. Let's take deep breath. Take a deep breath from your nose. Let go of your loneliness from your mouth. Take a deep breath through your nose and throw out your loneliness from your mouth. फिर से take a deep breath through your nose. Throw out your loneliness through your mouth. Go back in your mind to your childhood. Go back in your mind to your childhood, to the time when you were surrounded by people. Go back to the time when your mom and dad held you and told you, I love you. Go back to all your friends. Go back to being 3, 4, 5, or 6 years of age. See how when you were born, your mom and dad were happy for you. See how beautifully they held you. How they held you on their shoulders. How they sang a lullaby for you. And hear the songs that they sang for you. And see all that coming into your present right now. Bringing all the loved ones from back in time into your present right now. And you're going to say with me, I love myself.
Myself.
I
I
love
love
myself.
myself.
I
I
can be compassionate.
can be
to myself.
compassionate to myself.
I. What if I was a lonely child? That's a very good question, Veena. कोई तो दोस्त होंगे, कोई एक इंसान तो होगा वीना Okay, can we work with you, Veena? Can I work with you? Wonderful. Just on the unmute yourself. Unmute
Okay.
yourself. And all of you are going to work when I'm working with Veena. Is that okay?
Okay.
Is that fine? Okay. Let's all start tapping. Veena, you're going to start tapping like this.
Okay. Hold.
On the top of the head. Very lightly, don't hit yourself. And you're going to say all this loneliness.
All this loneliness.
Loneliness.
All this loneliness.
All this
This
loneliness.
loneliness.
All this loneliness.
All this.
In the middle of the eyes, all this loneliness.
All this.
All of you guys. आंसू आते हैं अच्छे हैं. If you burp, you feel sleepy, it's all fine. All this loneliness.
All this loneliness.
Side of the eyes, all this loneliness. Under the eyes, all this loneliness. Dheere dheere. Under the nose, all this loneliness. Think of a number of the loneliness. That means 0 means I'm not lonely at all. 10 means I'm very, very lonely. So see what's your number. All this loneliness. All this loneliness like 8. Right here on the collarbone, all this loneliness. All this loneliness. Remember, take a breath in and release the energy out. All this loneliness.
All this loneliness.
All this loneliness.
All this loneliness.
I can deal with it today.
I can deal with it.
It's in my mind. All this loneliness is in my mind.
All this
All this loneliness is in my mind.
All this loneliness is in my mind.
I can let go of this loneliness today. Round the fingers, tip of fingers. I can let go of all this loneliness today. You can even do this. I can let go of all this loneliness today.
Let go of this loneliness today.
Take a deep breath. Very good. If the yawns are coming, there is burping, farting. It's all good. That means it's working. Very good. One more time. Let's start with here. All this loneliness like 10. I'm actually feeling it's come down to 6. All this loneliness like 6. If you feel loneliness is coming down, then use the new number. All this loneliness like 6.
All like 6.
Even though I was a lonely child,
Even though I was alone,
I must have felt good about somebody in my life. Did you, Veena? Feel good about somebody at least in your life?
yes.
Yes. Even though I was a lonely child, even though I was an introvert,
Even though I was an introvert.
maybe things around me were such that I couldn't connect.
Maybe things
But that does not mean I cannot connect.
like that. Does
In fact, Veena right now is connecting to more than 25 people on the forum.
Yeah.
So even though I think I've been lonely all my life,
Even
I
though
can have a new beginning today. I have 25, actually we are 28 people on this forum right now. I have 28 people on this forum and I am connecting with them right now. I can let go of all this loneliness. It's in my mind. So I need to remove this thought from my mind. All this loneliness.
All this.
All this loneliness.
All this.
It's in my mind, inside between the eyebrows, all this loneliness.
All this.
Close your eyes, relax your body, keep tapping on the side of the eyes, all this loneliness.
All this.
I'm sure there has been at least one person in your life. It could be your Nana, Dada, your good friend, somebody you fell in love with, who has held you and given you the love of your lifetime, even if it meant for a minute. अपर्णा, आंसू अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. Bring in that memory of that person. By the way, आप किसी को चीट नहीं कर रहे हैं अगर आप सोच रहे हैं किसी ऐसे इंसान के बारे में जिसने आपके चेहरे पे स्माइल लाई थी बहुत साल पहले. It's okay. Don't be so hard on yourself, yeah? Can we be kind to ourselves? Under the eyes, all this loneliness. Even if I have no one in the world, I have these 28 people today on the forum. And I have a beautiful platform called Get Set Up, which is a virtual platform where I can connect with people for 1 hour. And what an amazing job they are doing. Elizabeth, right down on the nose area. Very good. I would really encourage others to keep their windows open so that I can really see what you're doing. आंसू अच्छे हैं ज्योति, बह जाने दो. इससे पता लगता है कि हम इंसान हैं. I want to keep the old memories back. I want things to be in the same way. It can't be. Even if things are not how I wanted them to be. I can start connecting right now. Even if I can't connect with the whole world, I can connect with myself right now. So close your eyes, everybody. Keep tapping and go inside your body. Connect with your heart first. Tell your heart, I love you.
I love you.
I've never looked at you. I always kept thinking I'm alone. You've been beating in my body right from the time I was 6 weeks old. Even before my brain was formed. The dub-dub, the lub-dub of the heart never left you. It's always been your companion.
Yes.
Even when you were alone, it's ticking inside you. Just for today, let's hold our heart. And for the heart, you're going to do a fist like this and just on the heart. Telling it, giving it that love and saying, I'm there for you. I'll be there for you. Just like this. It's very good for your thymus gland, very good for your heart. Make a fist like this and just fist on your heart. Very good. Just fist on your heart. Very good for the heart. Telling your heart, I'm alive. I will live for you. Just like you are living for me.
Hello, madam.
Just like you are
Hello.
living for me. Look
Hello.
at your eyes. So beautiful they are. Let's tap around the eyes and tell them how beautiful our eyes are. No matter what, they are making you see all the beautiful things in the world. And with that, we saw horrible stuff and good stuff. Let's say thank you to our eyes right now. I'm bringing in the memory in my eyes of my firstborn child and how he looked when I held him in my arms. If you don't have children, bring the memory of your parent and yourself in their arms. And if you don't have a parent, bring in the memory of God holding you and making you survive in this world. Imagine yourself sitting in the in the palm of your God, of your guru, of your mentors. Lean back wherever you're sitting as if you're leaning back into their embrace. Just leaning back. Just leaning back. Just leaning back. I'm just imagining that my God is standing right behind me. My gurus are standing right behind me. My generations are standing right behind me. And I can lean right behind. Right behind. And I can actually feel them blessing me. Can actually feel my generations putting their hand on my head. I can even feel my grandfather and grandmother giving me a kiss on either side of my cheeks. And I can hear faintly in the background the song, I'll Be There For You. I can see birds around me, angels around me. And I'm bringing in a beautiful pink golden color and covering my whole aura with beautiful pink golden color.
Hello, madam.
Last but not the least, I'm going to hold myself like this and just rock. Just rock. Telling yourself, I'll be there for you. I love you, Anu.
I'll be there for you.
I love you,
I'll be
Anu.
there for
You
you.
have to say your name.
Love you.
I love you, Anu.
Love you.
I love you.
Hello, madam.
Keep breathing. Don't
I
forget
want to
breathe.
speak to you.
And remember, you can give yourself everything. Wonderful. Great going, guys. Well done. Let's go to the next thing. And let's look at a few more slides. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to start connecting with people who see you, who hear you, who value you. Yes? All of us, we're going to do that today.
Yes.
Connect with people who see us, who hear us, who value us. Because that's such an important part of our life. You're going to make it a motto of your life. You're going to talk to as many people as you can. Even if it's strangers. You go to the supermarket, talk to the bhajiwala. Talk to the guy next door. Ask him, how are you, Aj? Smile on your face. Aj, आप कैसे हैं? आपकी जिंदगी सब ठीक ठाक है? COVID कैसा रहा? People will talk back to you. It is not important that we are always talking to our family members. Pick up the phone and say to some stranger, you can always do this, and ask them, how are you today? Do you need any help? Ask your neighbor. Ask a child who is on the road. बेटे कुछ चाहिए तुमको?
Hello, madam.
बात करने वाले आप बनेंगे तो कारवां अपने आप जुड़ता चला जाएगा. आप अगर नाराज होके बैठे रहेंगे और वेट करेंगे कि कोई आके आपको इस उलझन से बाहर निकालेगा, कोई नहीं निकालने वाला. Share your story with people. There is internet, Instagram, there is Facebook. जाइए उस पे. अगर उस पे डर लगता है तो अपने दोस्त को बोलिए, मैंने आज तक तुमको नहीं बताया. But you know what? When we stopped talking so many years back, that really hurt me, and I want to share my story with you. 20 साल निकल गए हैं, गुजर गए हैं. वो 20 सालों को कंडेंस करके 20 मिनट चाहिए मुझे आपके.
Hello,
You are
madam.
going to talk to your friends. Yes, Deepa?
Yes, madam.
Deepa, I think I can't hear. Can you please put it down in chat, sweetheart? Can you please put it down in the chat?
Okay,
There is
okay.
something gone wrong
हाँ,
with my audio. I can't hear anybody. Can you please put it in
Okay,
the
okay.
chat, Deepa?
I'll definitely put.
I'm
I'll
so
put.
sorry about this. Yes.
No, no,
Hello,
no.
ma'am. I want to speak to you. Yes, Deepa. Please
I
likhiye
want to
what you
speak
want to
to
talk
you.
to me about.
Yes, I will put. I will put.
एक सेंटेंस टाइप कर दें ताकि मुझे समझ में आए किस बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं. And I will get back to you. Deepa ji, I will get back to you. Something has
can't
gone
hear
wrong
me?
with my audio and I can't hear anyone. All of you can hear me? Wonderful.
Yes.
And it's only 15 minutes left, so I don't want to disturb and get into the technicalities. So if you want to really talk to me, just type it down. What is it that you want to talk to me about? Wonderful. I will be sending you these slides. Find a person to walk with. Find someone to play with. अगर play नहीं होता है, to find someone to pray with. But don't do it alone. Find one person for each thing. Find someone you can laugh with. Find someone you can exercise with. Learn to spend time together, cook together, eat a meal together. Prioritize connections. What we do when we are feeling lonely, we disconnect. We don't want to meet people. Create connections. Focus on your relationships. अगर आप relationships पे भी focus कर गए तो बहुत कुछ create हो जाएगा. Let's look at it. Create anchors. What does anchor mean? Anchor mean हमने एक ritual करनी है. मतलब अपने दोस्तों को कहना है कि हर मंडे को we will sit down 1 hour on the Zoom and talk to each other. अपने अपने groups बनाइए. Sit down on the Zoom and just have a chat. चाय ले आइए. If you are the ones who like to drink, get your wine along. Get your Bacardi breezer along. Just sit down and chat with people. Come together. It doesn't matter whether it's in person, समोसे खा रहे हैं आप अकेले इकट्ठे मिलके या जोक कर रहे हैं. It does not matter. Create that as a ritual for once a week at least. Once a week where you will be meeting people, you will be doing the same things again and again. And you will be talking to them, sharing yourself. So what is a ritual? A ritual is when you repeat an action again with intention. And over here, the intention is to connect. It doesn't matter. We are not going to be judging people. We are just going to be connecting. And we are going to repeat this every day of our life. आज नहीं लगा, आज तुक्का लगा नहीं. चलो कोई बात नहीं, किसी और को पकड़ेंगे, उससे बात करेंगे. पर छोड़ेंगे नहीं लोगों को. ना उनको अकेला रहने देंगे, ना खुद अकेले रहेंगे. Guys, this is an epidemic. Every third person is lonely. Every third person is lonely. जब आप मिलना शुरू करोगे लोगों को तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि how many people you have gone and given sahara to. You will connect at least once a week with your friends like I told you. Monday कर लो, Tuesday कर लो, Saturday कर लो, Sunday कर लो, 1 घंटे के लिए. चाहे बाहर मिलेंगे, चाहे आप किट्टी पार्टी करो, चाहे आप रिहर्सल करो, चाहे आप शायरी करो, पर 1 घंटा आपने जरूर मिलना है लोगों को. Before going to bed, you will talk to your partner, जो भी वो partner है. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि it has to be a husband. Your partner can be your children. It can be your neighbor. उस partner को रात को सोने से पहले एक अच्छी चीज बोलनी है. So something where you will say one good thing about them to them. गुस्सा ज्यादा आया है तो और भी जरूरी है कि आप ये clear करके सोएंगे. You will tell them how much you care for them. What do you like about your partner? One thing that you do not like also, and one thing that you're in gratitude of. गुस्सा दिल में रख के नहीं सोना है. And ये rituals को आप जब connect करेंगे every day, you will create connections which will be stronger than anything else that you will ever find on the planet Earth. They will be stronger than anything else. मैं time की तरफ देख रही थी. It's already 1:55. And it's already 1:55. Time is really running. And what we can do right now is I'm going to run the cards once again for all of you. I want you to go before I run the cards. I'm putting again the link. Please go on to the link and put your feedback. Thank you so much. Before I read the cards for all of you, there is a
Hello,
link
madam.
that I have just sent to you. If you liked what I did and you like this topic, please do write back and tell us that you want it so that I can do it once again with you. Every time we run this topic, there will be something new that we will be looking at. I'm going to try reading for as many people the cards that I can. I'm going to start with my new friend, Veena. Veena, abundance is going to be coming in your life. Abundance is going to be coming in your life. Stay connected. This is for Elizabeth. Elizabeth, सुने, effective listening करें, लोगों की बातें सुने. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपकी एफर्ट के साथ आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. This is for Purnima. Purnima, lot more power to you. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing very well. Sabha, this is for you. Surrender, surrender, release, let go of all the anger. Let go. It's not worth it. Aparna, this is for you. बहुत अच्छा वक्त आगे आ रहा है. Smile कीजिए and life is really बढ़िया. This is for Dr. Abba. Bring music in your life, Abba. Bring music in your life and just dance to it. Richa, this is for you. Miracles are about to happen in your life. अपनी गुफा से बाहर निकले रिचा. वापस गुफा में चली गई हैं आप. This is for you, Sunil, Dhawan. Put an intention out there of connection and life will be jingalala. Naveen ji, आपके लिए. Support, and that's what you've been doing. And you will get that support back. This is for my mom who is on the session. She needs to nurture herself and look after herself. This is for Deepa. Deepa, soulmate ढूंढिए, प्यार ढूंढिए. चलिए कुछ ऐसा ढूंढिए जो मजा आ जाए. Fall in love with something or someone. Usha Ved, this is for you. Divine guidance, खुदा आपके लिए खुद खड़ा है आज. छोड़ दें छोटी छोटी बातें. Very good, Jyoti, this is for you. Concentrate on your children. They mean everything to you. Very good. Himanshu, आपके लिए. Manifest and you will get what you want today. Usha ji, ये आपके लिए नई beginning है आपके लिए. Smile लाइए शक्ल पे. Mridula, new love. Like I said, fall in love with yourself. I don't know who morning is, but friendship is coming your way. Ridhan, आपके लिए. Ridhan, wisdom लेके आइए अपने अंदर. बहुत सारा कुछ आ रहा है. This is actually Ashwini. Ashwini, bring in. There's a lot of wisdom coming in for you. Deepa ji, Archangel Michael को कहिए to cut off all the negative cords for you. And this is for everyone. Just cut off all the negative cords for you. हमारे पास यहाँ पे my favorite सरदार जी यहाँ हैं, but I don't know what his name is. And उनके लिए बहुत सारी spiritual growth आ रही है आपके लिए सर जी. छोड़ दें ये छोटी छोटी चीजें. जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. रीटा, ये आपके लिए. ट्रस्ट लेके आइए अपनी जिंदगी में. ट्रस्ट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट राइट नाउ. लैला, ये आपके लिए डिवाइन टाइमिंग है. सब कुछ ठीक होने वाला है आपकी जिंदगी में. रानी, दिस इज फॉर यू. थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई में दिमाग लगाएं, पढ़ना शुरू करें. सुबोध, दिस इज फॉर यू. थोड़ा मस्ती लेके आए जिंदगी में, बहुत सीरियस हो गए. फॉर राकेश, राकेश के लिए ही नीड्स अ छुट्टी. छुट्टी, एब्सोल्यूट छुट्टी. रिलैक्स कीजिए, स्पा लेके आइए और जाके अपने मसाज करा के आइए. एंड healing for the whole group. Deepa, this is for you. Massive healing coming for the whole group right now. So, love you all. Stay happy. किसी को मैं भूल गई हूँ तो मेरे को प्रेमनाथ जी, प्राणनाथ जी, सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस. अपने आप को अपने आप से बचाना है और अपने आप को खूब तरीके से बोलना है, I love you. Very good. So, see you guys. Thank you very much. I hope you filled the form. And I will be sending you the slides. With the slides, there will be a link for WhatsApp. Please do go join the WhatsApp group.
Thank you
Still,
so much.
I feel I have 1 minute more. And let's not waste that minute. I'm now pulling for the whole group. अगर by chance कोई रह गया है, your prayers are
Thank
getting
you, Anu
answered
ma'am.
today. Your prayers are getting answered
Thank you, Anu
today.
ma'am.
It's a time for celebration. See the signs of celebration coming in your life.
आवाज का नहीं आता है?
Bring in focus.
Send
Take
me
care
the
of your
link.
body. Angels are
Send the
blessing
link,
you.
ma'am. Ma'am,
और
send
क्या
the
चाहिए
link.
आपको? Brilliant.
Thank you.
Well done, all of you. Very good. See you again.
See you.
After 2 days, I'm going to be doing on third sound healing for everyone. I will be
Okay.
playing sound for you. If any one of you have the bowls to play sound, get it. We'll all sit together and play. Okay?
Okay.
So gong and
Okay.
sound is what I'm going to be playing for you with the Om chant. And see you all on the third.
Okay.
Big hugs.
Bye. Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Namaste.
Love you all.
Thank you very much, Anuji.
Love you all,
God bless.
madam. Love you all.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Yeah, love you all, madam. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Sabha,
Hi.
Sabha, you have my number, no? Just
Hello,
call
ma'am.
me.
Can you hear me?
Okay, okay.
Can't hear you,
I missed
sweetheart.
I want to talk to you.
where you have gone. Okay,
You
I
want
will
to
call.
talk to me?
Yeah.
I want to talk to you.
Whom?
To look back on what we had and condescend. Our anger is quicker. I know it's greedy.
Deepa and Usha ji, I can't hear you today. I'm so sorry about this.
But you can see us. But you can see us. Love you.
That I don't want to lose a friend. But if I keep my distance, I know this will end. I know that you're not trying, but you pull me in, and I can't seem to escape. No, I don't want to lose a friend.